Hi again, everyone. It's Shola Richards, your keynote speaker at Imaging USA 2025 in Dallas, Texas, from February 2nd to the 4th, 2025. And as a reminder, you can register now with the early bird special and save $50. In my first video, I talked specifically about one of the main reasons photographers attend this conference, education. In the second video, I talked specifically about the power of networking at Imaging USA 2025. In this final video, I want to share the third reason why this is the premier photography conference to level up your business and craft. The third reason is the Expo. Listen, if you love deals on gear and services, you will love the Imaging USA Expo. It features over 130 of the industry's leading brands, allowing photographers to touch, try, and buy the latest products at incredible discounts. And speaking of items that you can touch and take home at the Expo, as your keynote speaker, I'll be bringing my brand new book to Imaging USA 2025, Civil Unity, the radical path to transform our discourse, our lives, and our world. There it is. If you are just flat out exhausted trying to run a photography business and are extremely divided in polarizing times, or having to work with people who don't know how to disagree without disrespect, I promise you that my book, Civil Unity, will help. It's freakishly practical, and you will absolutely know what you need to do after reading it. So, okay, let's recap. Here are the reasons why Imaging USA 2025 is the premier photography conference. First reason is unparalleled education. The second reason is the wonderful options to network with your peers from all over the country. And last but not least, the fabulous Expo experience. To be clear, these are just a few, not all, of the reasons why you should attend Imaging USA. My best piece of advice is for you to take advantage of the early bird discount, save on registration, and get ready to join me and thousands of photographers at Imaging USA. Cannot wait to see you there. Until then, take care of yourself and let's make this conference the best one yet. I'll see you soon.